guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be making some matching headbands to go with our bracelets. So if you haven't watched the bracelet, Lilly inspired bracelet tutorial, I will link it in the drop down box for you. But today we are going to be making matching headbands, and I purchased these headbands at Hobby Lobby, and there's looks like 3 of the plastic headbands for $2.49, but you can use a 40% off coupon at Hobby Lobby. And then you'll need 2 scarves from Dollar Tree. And then you'll need your scissors, hot glue gun, and glue stick. And that's it. So let's get started. Okay, you're just going to want to take your scarf and lay it out flat, and you're just going to cut from one end to the other about 1 inch wide strip. And that's it. Okay, you're going to want to take your headband and your 1 inch strip. You're going to lay your headband on your strip of scarf. Leave a little bit of the scarf past the end of your headband. And you're going to add a dot of hot glue. Just fold it over and let it dry just a little bit. And then you're going to take the little bit of extra that you left hanging over and kind of fold it back so that it kind of looks like a end of a package, so that it's, you know, just a little bit better. Even though it goes behind your ear, you still want it a more finished look. And then once it dries, we're just going to wrap our headband. So give me just a second. Okay, and this is the way it looks when I folded the end down and hot glued it. And now everything's dry, so I am just going to take my scarf and just wrap my headband, and I'm going to overlap it. Just kind of try to keep it tight and smooth. Okay, I've got it about halfway wrapped, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing. I am kind of these frayed edges, I'm kind of folding it a little bit under like that when I wrap it, and just keep it tight. And see how it's frayed a little bit? I'm just folding it a little bit under, and that's it. The headband is now wrapped with the scarf and finished. So this is how it looks. Okay, and what we're going to do next is I am going to make a tie to add right here, or a bow, either way, whichever one you choose. So I am going to take my scarf and I am going to cut another about 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide strip, and then I'll be ready to tie it on my headband. Okay, I'm gonna take my little strip of scarf, and I'm kind of gonna fold it in half, but if it doesn't stay, that's okay too. And I'm gonna place it kind of on one side, not directly in the center, so about right here. And I am going to try to center it up. I'm just gonna tie it on. Just make kind of a little knot. Okay, and I think I'm going to go ahead and make this one into a bow. Okay, and that's how it looks. Okay, here's how the headband looks on. And also, here it is with the cute little bracelet. So I've got a matching set that didn't cost me much money at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I hope you like this video, and please share. Thanks.